Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a nap time hustle. So if you like this kind of video, stay tuned because I am going to get things done while Elizabeth takes her nap. Alrighty, so the first thing we decided to do was fold laundry. We do try our best to do laundry during the week. And we're pretty good about it, but sometimes there's, a couple loads of laundry we do have to do on the weekend. And we also got a smart TV for Christmas from Richard's boss, so I can watch him Keep Calm and Clean, Jessie Christine, and then I also was watching SL Miss Glam, and I love them both.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
And if you're new here, my name is Ashley, and I want to live our rainbow baby boy. We also have a 2-year-old named Elizabeth, and she will be 3 in May. So I am so appreciative of being able to do what I can right now. I feel pretty good, no back pain, things are going great. I took a few occasional headphones, but other than that, I'm pretty happy that at almost 30 weeks, I'm still chugging along and feeling pretty good physically. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Ashley Elizabeth XO, and it's kind of funny because you can see my husband working on the main floor, putting my dishes. So basically, when Elizabeth goes down for a nap, we just try to play catch up and hustle because the week can get crazy, and I always love doing a brand new week with a clean house and everything's up to date, finished, and just picked up. Also, if you enjoy these kind of videos and things like that, if you're expecting, then stay tuned because every Wednesday I'll be making these episode videos, and I will really long episode 1 and do this on person. Basically, it's just me cooking for baby boy, so nursery, organization, cleaning, vlogs, my OB appointment, things like that. Alrighty, new song means we're switching it up, no more folding laundry, and we are going to tidy the rest of this area. So I'm just putting her jewelry box away. We are pretty good about making sure she cleans up her mess. Sometimes there's just stuff that we forgot that we take out. As you can see, I'm watching TV. I look grumpy. I swear I'm not grumpy. I am enjoying myself, but yeah, I'm just cleaning up her jewelry box, and then I'm going to work on her playroom. And yes, we do have couch covers on our couch. If you saw underneath, then you would see these ugly green plaid color couches, which you can probably kind of take a peek at the bottom if you look carefully. But these were couches that were given to us from our parents, or from my parents. They are great couches. I love them. We took them when we moved out, but we do have couch covers on them, and we're gonna wait until our cat is older as well as the children before we invest in brand new couches.
You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I
And
am
then I'm
not
just going in
the
with
same.
my Method Wood Cleaner. I really like this one. It has a really nice scent and I think it does a good job. Just to give your coffee table a little refresh.
I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right.
Alrighty, I come in here because I'm like, okay, the furnace is on or whatever. You know, I'll go some real quiet. But then the washer's on. So it doesn't matter which room I go in, there's noise. But I hope you enjoyed this nap time hustle with me. I basically only had time to clean the basement because I was also doing some stuff on the computer. I lost my camera, so I didn't film the downstairs bathroom or me sweeping the floor, but the whole downstairs is clean. Mind you, this is what happens when you have a toddler. We have a mess to clean up before bed, but if you didn't know, it's like 7:30 at night. I folded more laundry. She was going fishing, and all this fun stuff. So yeah, we'll have to clean this up before bed. But other than that, the floor's been swept, and everything I wanted done. Carpets were vacuumed as well, and yeah.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with